Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be about cleaning a PC, a personal computer, from dust, and on what you should be careful while cleaning the personal computer and the easiest way how to do it. Let's start the video. With time, every personal computer collects dust from working, from those fans that are blowing air, and in time the dust will be everywhere in the computer, so you need to clean the personal computer from dust and prevent from any damage. Before starting to clean the personal computer, first you need to do is to unplug every cable that is connected to the computer. I'm gonna use a vacuum cleaner, but before starting to clean you need to see this. What is happening? When you close the vacuum cleaner hose to the fan starting to rotate and it's generating little current or voltage that may damage the motherboard, so be careful about that. Hold the fan while you clean the dust from the fan with your vacuum cleaner. Don't spin the fan because you're gonna generate some voltage and you're gonna damage the motherboard. You don't like that. That was a great tip if you clean your personal computer. Now let's continue with removing this old dust from my old computer. As I said, I'm gonna use a vacuum cleaner and a brush. Take a look. Some of you, it's gonna say that it's better to use air duster or air compressor to blow the dust, but I think this is the better way for me. Here it is. Everything is clean. I remove almost every dust on the motherboard and on the case. And just to explain what kind of machine is this, and this is old, about 7 or 8 years. I bought, I think, in 2017 or 18. Right, I have here I have 250 gigabytes 960 EVO SSD from Samsung memory. I have plus 1 terabyte SSD plus 4 terabytes ordinary hard disk. The processor is i7 and that's it. 16 gigabytes RAM, totally 32 gigabytes of RAM, and this is pretty good machine. And I forgot, it have a GTX 1060 GeForce graphic card. This is one of my computers, and this one is pretty cool. And now it's time to assemble everything back. All right. Here it is, my personal computer, clean it, free of dust, and the way I show you was the easiest way to clean your personal computer from dust. I hope you liked today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!